Hey everyone, I'm Lauren Gerritsen. I'm a nutritional therapy practitioner and I share a head start for your healing journey. Today I'm going to show you how to make 5-spice baked chicken thighs with a citrus pesto. So this is one of my favorite weeknight meals. I'm sure it will be added to your weeknight meal rotation as well once you try it. The chicken thighs could not be easier. You don't even have to measure the ingredients for it. You can just eyeball it and you can make as many or as few chicken thighs as you need. And then the pesto is so delicious. I like to make a double batch so that I can use it on the chicken thighs, but also have it on hand for vegetables and other meats and seafood as well. So let's get started.